Welcome home to 16116 Laurel Ridge in Laurel, Maryland. We have an open house here every day. We just need 3 hours notice to get the house ready for you. Go to www.16116laurelridge.com and schedule your private open house today. The sellers have made this home the type of paradise that most people travel hours to get to. You can now call this home. From the enclosed heated and air-conditioned four-season room off the back of the house, to the hot tub with the covered gazebo, or the patio that's a wonderful place to relax, or the stoned patio fireplace. This is a wonderful retreat right in your backyard. When you step inside this home, you will know that it is different from your average home. The home has been lovingly maintained and meticulously cared for every step of the way. When anything needed to be done, the seller spared no expense. From the large updated kitchen that opens up to the four-season room, there is space for the dining room that opens up to the spacious living room with the large picture window. This home has many extras, including the 2 Google Nest home control systems that will convey with the home, the new roof that was installed with the gutter covers, and the oversized shed, and so much more. Be sure and take a look at the lower level family area. It has room for a full-size pool table, a bar and a mirror that will convey with this stunning home, and a sitting area to watch the big games. There are 2 master bedrooms in this home with 2 master baths. There is a master bedroom and bathroom on the upper level, and a larger master bedroom and bath on the lower level. There are 2 bedrooms on the upper level, or a bedroom and an office, plus a full bath as well as the master bath. It's an open slate for you to create and change how you want. This is just the beginning. Go to www.16116laurelridge.com and schedule your own private open house to see this amazing retreat/home firsthand. We just need 3 hours notice to get the home prepared for you. Go to www.16116laurelridge.com and check out this beautiful home today. Stop on by.